In today's video, we're going to go over how to add a recurring payout. So here on the left, you'll go to Time and Pay, then you'll click Payouts right here, and then go to this Recurring Payouts tab. From here, you'll go ahead and click this blue Add Recurring Payout button. And here's where you'll see all the settings for the recurring payout. So this is something that you would use if you are providing something like a stipend or something that happens either every pay period or per month for your employees. And this helps you with not having to add the payout for every payroll or month that you're paying it out for your team. From here, you'll click Additional Earning or Reimbursement. So if you select Reimbursement, you'll add the name and the amount and the frequency. For additional earning, you'll select if it's a bonus, commission, correction, or custom. In this example, we're going to go ahead and click custom and type in uniform stipend. From here, let's say that it is $25 and we want it to be per month. From here, you'll select which day of the month that you want this recurring payout to show up on. So let's say your first payroll is from the 1st and the 15th, and you always want it to show up on the first payroll. You can select any date from the 1st to the 15th. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and click the 1st. Now, every time you run payroll that includes the 1st of the month, it will include the $25 stipend for your team. Next, you'll go ahead and assign to your employees. You can either select all of your employees and it'll assign to everyone, or if it's just applicable for a few employees, you can select their names from here. Once you've added all this information, go ahead and click Save. Once you run the payroll that includes this stipend, then it'll automatically show up in your employees payout section. So in the employee menu, go to Payroll and then Payouts. So once you run the payroll, the recurring payout will show up for every payroll that it was included on. So both you and your employee have visibility into where it was added. You'll also see it on the payroll run. So when you run payroll, you'll see it for all the applicable employees and you know exactly what's being paid out. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us by going to the help section, open a support ticket, or give us a call, and we are happy to help. Thank you.